Today's author study is going to be over Judy Blume. You will use Google and other online sources to look up her birthday, her place of birth, information about her family, such as her brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents, children, and spouse, her early life, such as her school and education, and a famous quote by her. On the next tab, you will create a timeline of Judy Blume's life. Remember, this has to be in chronological order. So starting with the earlier parts of her life, moving on to up until if she passed away or what she is doing present day. Next, you are going to list the books written by Judy Blume and any awards that she received as an author for those books. On this slide, you are going to summarize one of your favorite books by Judy Blume. We have read part of Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing this year, and that book is by Judy Blume. You can, again, if you can't remember the book, you can use the book that is at the end of this assignment to summarize that book and then give your reflection. You're going to type what you think about the book. Did you enjoy it? Would you recommend it to a friend? And then you can Google or draw a picture of the cover and insert it here. And on this tab, you're going to write 10 interesting facts that you find online about Judy Blume. And lastly, you will list your sources where you found your information. So you'll copy and paste the links where you found your information. So we are not copywriting, and we want to make sure that we give credit to those sources and we're not plagiarizing. Okay. At the end of this, you have your read aloud. This is The Pain and the Great One by Judy Blume. So again, if you've never read any of her books, or if you can't read the one that we've read this year, if you can't remember the one that we've read this year, then you could just summarize this text here. And one more thing, this is the Blue Amplify app that I'm talking about on the, it's like a bluish tealish color on the assignments for this week. So this is where you're clicking. You're looking for this. If you can't find it, then you need to type in Amplify Reading Student in the search bar up here. If you have any questions, please let me know.